Land use change happens when humans intervene with the way that the natural land was previously used. Land use change can cause many issues within the community, such as stress, disrupt feedback systems, and threaten humans with vulnerability. One instance of land use change occurred in the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon is the largest rainforest in the world, covering over 9 countries. The vast majority of the Amazon is centered in Brazil. Since the 1980s, the Brazilian Amazon forest has been facing deforestation and as a result has lost much of the biodiversity it once had. Many of the acres of land were cleared, made for cattle grazing, timber trading, or agricultural projects. Deforestation is a permanent removal of forest. Losing tropical rainforests such as the Amazon is a key factor when looking at climate change. The process of deforestation is performed by humans and usually occurs in order to provide existing land for others' uses such as agriculture or infrastructure. Since 2004, there has been a 79% decrease in deforestation. This may be due to financial crisis happening in Brazil, or there has also been protection laws against deforestation in Brazil that limit the amount of area cleared for farming and agriculture. Today, 49% of the forest is under protection of the government. In future years, there is hope for the Amazon forest, as long as the protection laws stay in place.